Hi guys, what's up everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Brenda, and in case you're new here, consider hitting the subscribe button and also turn the notification bell in order to get a video anytime I upload it. Anytime I will upload the video, you'll be the first person to see that video. So that will be so interesting. So before you start watching this video, kindly subscribe. And I'm super happy because guys, we are back again. We are back again to our business, you know. Today I visited someone's what is it called, farm, and you know, as well, you see, I usually teach people on how to take about poultry farming, and so that's why today we are here to talk about poultry farming, as usual. You see, so this first time people have been asking about this content for quite some time, and you know very well this is the content that we started way back a year ago. So today we are going to visit this farm, and for the look of things are not bad here. Actually, the chicks are very well, they are very healthy. They are almost to be slaughtered, or rather they are maturing up. So the first thing we are going to see is the sanitation. So as I can see, the area looks nice, and also before you enter in, you need to have worn mine. You can see, yeah, I've worn my gumboots, so I'm good to go. The second thing about this place is that water is well arranged in a lane, so that when the chicks are just coming to drink water and go back, maybe to rest or rather eat. And also another thing we talked about in our chicken farm is that chicken actually love colors, like bright colors. That's why you can see we use yellow. You can see that yellow or red. So that when the chicks are even at night, they actually see those colors. And also the feeds are well, usinyime kuku chakula, actually give them enough feeds so that they grow faster. That's what I've learned over the years as an experience. I have an experience over that. So actually I'm even encouraging my farmers to actually do the same. Usipeane kuku chakula kichache, just jaza hiyo nini, jaza wakuje tu wakikula wakiacha. Actually that matures the chicks very quickly. And then another thing, the good thing about this place, the person decided to cement this area and also give actually after cement iwezi acha tu kwa cement, actually the pair sawdust. As you can see hapa chini there is sawdust, and sawdust is actually the best to keep warm here. And also nimona lighting is not bad, everything is just okay in this farm. So actually it has been just an amazing adventure to be here, and also to see these chicks. They are actually grown, and they are 3 weeks old. They are only ready a week for them to get slaughtered. So I'm actually happy about this place, and I'm also encouraging those who are wanted to start it. I know to start. Actually, many people have been texting me and DMing me on Instagram saying that, oh, ulienda wapi na mambo na chicks and stuff, but I said, see, ati nilikuwa nimeenda tu ka break kiasi, but I'm now back like I never left. So to you now to give me an appreciation, kindly do justice to this video. Right? I mean you need to subscribe and also watch this video at large number, so that I can that's one encourages me to bring more content about chicken and what you need to do in here. So I can even see this person has already gone further. When the chicks was kupata ready market for the chicks, you actually have a storage there, and what is it called again? Freezers, 2 freezers that actually when the chicks are being slaughtered and then you don't have ready market, you do that. So it's a nice thing and it's a nice idea, and I am really appreciating that. So I don't have much to say. Actually, as you can see, the area, the chicks and everything is just okay. There's really nothing to ask or rather, or like having this video to be so long. Actually, I really appreciate being here today, and I'm really encouraging those people. Next week we are going to visit another farmer, and I'll take you through the farm as I have done today. So thank you so much. Watch this video till the so that is how this farm is going on. So as you can see in the back, yeah. So this is how the farm looks like, and I'm just happy. I'm actually happy. I'm super happy about this. So thank you so much for watching today's video, and make sure you subscribe and also like this video, and also you can share these yellow colors. It's because chicken love, like this broiler chicken usually love bright colors. That's why you can see all this is in yellow. You can see yellow and yellow. And also we have decided that we are using this this is called drinkers, and these drinkers you see it has bright color, which is red in the down part of it. That's why chicks love bright colors, and this one has led us to achieve like perfect no zero death from this farm of ours this time round. You can see. This video is your friends and relative. Bye. Let's meet in the next video. Yes.